Hi everybody, it's second week, day 6. I haven't posted before. I have recorded one video, but it was me complaining, so I decided to skip on this one. It was really a challenging week for me. I had another migration at work, so I worked night shifts. Basically, what we are doing is migrating from old system to the new one, and it's migration of around 1 million active users, um, and we are migrating from 20 tables database to like 80 tables database, so it takes like 6 to 8 hours for data to get populated. If you're interested in the topic, I can talk more about it, but the migration script is written in Python. The first attempt was in SQL, but it didn't end well, so we switched the technology, and this swap uh, actually prolonged the time needed for migration, and everything went well. The data migrated, and then the provider had an issue, the one that we are working with. They were redirecting some customers to the HTTP instead HTTPS on their identity management provider. So they decided at around 6 a.m., 6 in the morning, to cancel the migration and to roll back everything. So the next week we'll also have the same migration again. It gave us a chance to fix some of the known issues that we didn't address during the migration itself. So this is a good part. The bad part is that again the week will be fairly booked with testing, with preparations, with night shift, etc. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. Um, I wanted to record really, in my opinion, interesting materials for you. So I went to our local hardware store. Uh, in Croatia, there are like a handful of those, like 2 or 3. It's funny. It's funny that there is no, there's there's not more players on the market for this. And I went to buy the microcontroller, so I was looking into ESP32 and infrared transmitter, and the board itself, the ESP, would come with Wi-Fi. And I was looking at temperature sensors. I wanted to solve the issue I have at home. So currently it's 34 to 35 degrees Celsius during the day and night, and it's extremely hot. So my idea, and when I leave the AC unit on through the night, it's it's really cold in the room. So the idea was to have like two sensors for temperature in different rooms that would collect the data, and based upon current temperature, I would define the flow. For example, if the temperature gets higher than 25, turn on the ICU for some period of time, or when the temperature drops. Yes, and beside that, I want to buy the LCD where uh, I would see in real time the number of um, YouTube subscribers, viewers. I can just print 0 for now because I have none. Um, and I would create some kind of API for the bank account so I can post the balance automatically to give you a real-time insight where I'm at, how much money I've gained, and how much money I've spent. Um, I don't have much hobbies, to be honest, but I do like fancy watches. Fancy. I do like watches. Uh, and I'm currently in negotiation for a Hamilton watch. It's really a beauty. Um, I'm talking about this because I'll also write this as business. You have to look good, and my camera just okay. Let me repair it. Look good and feel good. Yeah. Um, as for diet and working out, obviously I haven't started. I'm just getting heavier and heavier. Oh, my camera rolled down again. I cannot get, I'll have to find a better spot for it because my son is playing with um, strollers and then he's bumping this down. He's smiling like crazy. Yeah, it's funny. But the viewers will see just the street if you continue to do so. He's affecting my view count. Um, okay, so I think at a time I won't continue. I'll delete the hybrid videos. I'll redo them sometimes in the future, and I'll post Java, core Java tutorials for start. And also, or maybe do, I haven't settled. I know I changed my mind a lot about what to do, and this also affects the delivery. But I need the design patterns and um, enterprise design for work. So it's like a priority that I need to do. I need to cover domain driven for some kind of knowledge sharing session. So I think I'll focus on this to solve this, and then afterwards I'll do Hibernate series as well. And and also I would like to start developing the Shopify app, and I'll see if I can manage both. I don't know. The work is really putting it on me because it's crazy. I'm doing 10 hours, and after that I have to also take care of kids, um, and I'm neglecting everything else. Yeah, this is it for the update. Basically, I want to tell you that I'm going to scrape the hybrid videos and start with the core Java series. Maybe head first Java and then core Java. And in parallel, I'll try to work on the Shopify store. I'm not building Shop store where I'll sell something, but I'll build a plugin. I'll try to build a plugin. I have idea of something that might be cool, so I'll share the journey with you. Yes, thank you for uh, joining this session, brief session. Hope you have a great day, and yeah, leave a comment. Have a nice day. Bye bye.